Did you know that Jamaica is home to a sunken pirate city, once known as the wickedest city on Earth? In 1692, a massive earthquake struck Port Royal, Jamaica, sending much of this bustling pirate haven deep beneath the Caribbean Sea. Known for its extravagance and lawlessness, Port Royal was a place where pirates and privateers freely spent their looted fortunes. However, when disaster struck, the city vanished beneath the waves, taking countless treasures and secrets with it. For centuries, the remains of Port Royal lay forgotten, submerged and untouched, preserving a moment in time like nowhere else on Earth. It wasn't until the 1960s that underwater archaeologists began to uncover its hidden wonders. They excavated buildings, streets, and even everyday items, perfectly preserved in the ocean's depths. Each artifact tells a story of life in the 17th century, from elegantly embossed swords to delicate china used in the taverns where pirates plotted their next plunder. This remarkable underwater city offers a unique glimpse into a past filled with intrigue and adventure, making it a key site for historical